So that is the thing. Now if you want to find out the V maximum, how did you calculate it? In that point there is in a scale, that is 0.25 is written, and when we draw the straight line between these two, we get a point of 1.162. Both are will be both will be multiplied with the lambda later on, but there is no lambda on original Smith chart. Point to be noted. There are certain points like that 0.162. Here there is another scale. Here you can see 0.125. Here is another scale here, that is 0.5. Here is another scale here, that is 0.25 or anything else. So there you can see here there is 0.25. So if you want to find out V max, that you have to know the distance d1 to find out. As you can see in this sinusoidal waveform, what is the highest peak? The highest peak is from the lowest part to the top of the part, from 0 to the lambda by 4. Is it right or wrong? That's the thing. So that is d1. So you have to calculate the distance between these two, 0.162 to this point. Okay, so that is the line drawn from here. So 0.25 minus 0.162, here is the distance, and lambda. What is the lambda? Lambda is 5 centimeter. So just put 5 centimeter here. You will get 0.44 centimeter. That means the distance between these things from 0 to the top of the voltage, that means the maximum voltage, that is 0.44 centimeter. That is the distance. Similarly, if you want to find out the minimum voltage, so how that can you find out? How that can you find out the minimum voltage? Here you can see, to find out the minimum voltage, you have to calculate from here to here to the 0 point. First of all, go from here to there, from the infinity point, that is d1 maximum. From here to the last for the 0 point, in the clockwise direction, that is the clockwise direction, you will find out d2, that means V minimum. Here is 0.5 and here is also 0.162. So that is get the difference between these two, that is 0.5 minus 0.162 into lambda. Lambda is 5 centimeter. Again you can get 1.69 centimeter. That is the distance. That is the minimum distance, d2. What is minimum distance? From one minimum to another minimum is known as minimum distance. From minimum to maximum is known as maximum distance of voltage. Okay, in the context of Smith chart. Okay, now again, last of all, if you want to find out what is SWR, or VSWR, that is not voltage standing wave ratio. First of all, you have to draw it. You have to draw the same thing. There is a straight line that has been crossed. From the center. Here center is 1. From here there is certain thing. So in that point 1 plus 1j, you should put the compass's pinpoint here and put the pencil here and draw a circle around it. Take the radius between this 1 point to the 1 plus 1j, that is the point of confliction between the straight line. Take the radius and draw the circle around it. After drawing it, you will get the point. Here is the point. You will get the point. So my dear students, now this part, when you draw the radius between this line, it cuts the straight line in some point on that direction. Not that. You should not take that direction. You have to take that direction. That is the right direction. Okay. That in which point that it cuts. there are some lines, that is a scale also. Okay, the point of confliction is here also 2.6. So that is the voltage standing wave ratio that you want to calculate it. That is the voltage standing wave ratio that you want to calculate. So last part, that is another mathematics related to Smith chart, that you have to find out the short circuit minima shift. What is the short circuit minima shift? Okay, so first of all, read out the question. First of all, we read out the question here. So that's the thing. The location of a minimum instead of a maximum is usually specified because it can be determined more accurately. Okay. The thing is that you have find maximum. Okay, but location of minimum instead of a maximum is usually specified because it can be determined more accurately. Suppose that the characteristics impedance of the line, that is the transmission line, is R0, is 50 ohm, and the standing wave ratio rho is equal to 2. When the line is loaded means there is a load. When the line is loaded, that is the waveform. But when the load is shorted, after short there is a shorted sign. If you make it short, so that will be 0, that will be inactive. So we get a shift, we get a shifting of 0.15 lambda towards the load. So that is known as minimum shift. Okay, short circuit test type of thing. Make it short, you will get some shift. From that you can get the voltage minimum. So that is known as minima shift. Okay. So how that can we calculate from the Smith chart? Now coming back to the point, there are solution. First solution is, when the line is shorted, the first voltage minimum occurs at the place of the load. As you can see, the place of the load. Okay, when the line is loaded, the first voltage minimum shifts 0.15 lambda from the load. That has been given here. That has been given in the mathematics. If that is given in the mathematics, that is the mathematics of minimum shift. Okay. So the distance between two successive minima is 1/2 wavelength. Two successive minima means from this minimum to that minimum. The distance between these two is the half of the wavelength, 1/2, and it is really very similar to that, from this minimum to that minimum. That is lambda by 2. It is 0. That is lambda by 2. That means half of the wavelength. So first of all we have to plot the SWR in the circle. That is a reverse process from the previous mathematics. So look it carefully. First of all, rho 2. What is rho 2? You know, you have to find out the position of 2 here in the positive direction of the real part. That is the thing. That is the point of 2. First of all, there are some scale here, so you can find out 2 here. Then you draw a circle, that is totally reversed from the previous mathematics. We draw the circle later on to find out SWR, but here we first of all draw the what does it think? That is the SWR point. After that, you take this ZL. Here you can find out 0.15 towards the load. If it is towards the load, that is from 0 to there. If it is towards the input impedance, that will be there. There are 2 lines that has been what can I say? That has been drawn in Smith chart. From 0 to infinity, if you go, that is the not minima shift. That is the thing of from load to from input to load, towards load. and the opposite